All that kind, encouraging photography advice has led to a generation of lily-livered malingerers. Time for some tough love from Drill Sergeant Chris Niccolls.
Now today we are going to learn about a very important technique called back button focusing. You see, a standard military grade camera like Matilda here has two focusing modes, single and continuous. Now single autofocus is only good for one thing, and that's when you're not moving and neither is your target and you're trying to shoot it dead on. Continuous autofocus is great when you're dealing with a moving target or you need to move yourself. But what if your stationary target starts to move on you? Then what are you going to do? Or what if your moving target is now stationary and you do not want the camera to continuously keep trying to refocus? Well, that's why I'm going to show you this next technique. Now pay attention, recruits, 3 easy steps. The first thing you're going to do is set your camera permanently to continuous autofocus. We will never need to use single autofocus again. In fact, the only thing that should remain single is Private Drake's mother, because then I would not have to put up with this constant bullshit. Second thing that you are going to do is you are going to turn off the focusing on your shutter button. It will no longer focus the camera. Third step, you will locate a conveniently placed button on the back of your camera where your thumb can reach, and you will set that to do all the autofocusing.
Hey, Sarge, my camera doesn't give me AF on a back button.
Private Drake! You wipe your behind with that camera, you throw it in the latrine where it belongs. If you have followed these 3 easy steps, when you push your thumb down on the button, it will continuously focus on your subject. If you let go of your thumb on that button, it will then stop focusing, and you can even tap it and make the camera behave very much like it was in single autofocus. It is the best of both worlds. Now the shutter button's sole purpose is simply to take pictures. Never put your trigger finger on the shutter button of something you do not intend to photograph.
Sarge, I'm having trouble with my thumb and my index finger.
Opposable digits are the basis for humanity, Private Drake. I will throw another underwater camera at your tuchus. Do you want that? Come over here.